The cousins stare down.
I
guessed.
See,
Oh, how
nice.
nice. Oh.
She says thank you to you. Yes, you're so nice.
Oh, good job, Leah. There you go. Is that better? Everybody's got their stuffy.
You're gonna give her a hug? You're gonna give Augie a hug?
Oh, how about a kiss?